How to change default font in Google Sheet. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect step by step method. So let's start with the video, guys. And before we start, at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I have already opened my Google Sheet app. So let me type something here. Okay, so now we have the sample text here. So if you want to change the default font for particular text, then just select the text. Okay, I'm going to show the two method. Okay, so first, if you want to change the text for particular change the font for particular text, then select the text like this or row. Now go here in this option bar and go to the font, and from here you can select the your desired font style. Then you can see the font style has been changed. But if you want to change by default fonts for all whole sheet, then you can write with this font in the current sheet. You need to just go to the format, go to the themes, and under the current themes you can see this option has been open. Under the current theme standard, we need to go in customize, and here we have the 5 or 6 tag font style. So you can select any one these. So I just select this one. Okay, after you can also change the font color and all from here. Okay, just go to the done. Now you can write, this will be your default font, and you can write with this. You can write with this font style to whole sheet, but this default font only applicable in your current sheet. Once you open the new sheet like this, the default font style will be again come or reverse to the Arial, which is default font of Google Sheet. Okay, so whatever you make the your default font, it will be only applicable your current sheet. So that is how it works. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.